Hello everybody, welcome to Learn Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to use the backpack in Scratch. So in our last video, we did Dot and Crystal. So let's go ahead and say, or maybe we could make this a project. And then as you can see, there's a backpack over here. So what we're going to do is we can go to the project page and then you can click the search, or maybe you can type rainbow star. And then when you type that, you'll see all these kind of things. So what if we wanted this? And then we can go. Or maybe you wanted this star as I found. So you can just open the backpack and put the star inside the backpack. And there's your little sprite. And then you're going to get it on your next project, whatever you make. Next, you can upload sounds. So what if you wanted, maybe you wanted a sound? Or maybe you wanted something. So if you wanted to take a sound, you can do that. And you can also type maybe magic. Just sound magic. And then you can take that or that or that, anything. But maybe you want anything. Just take your sound. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how to do that. So for example, I just wanted to go to sound magic and then go here and then recording. And then so if we wanted sounds, you can see that recording one. So if you wanted that, you can open the backpack and put the sound inside. Well, if you didn't like sounds, if you didn't like any of these in your backpack, you can just double click on it and click delete. And then you're gonna lose that thing which you got. You can also do that for backdrops. So what if I wanted any of these? So what if you wanted this pushing creator, and then you can go to scene side, and then what if I wanted this backdrop? So you can just open the backpack and put that backdrop inside. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to that, click on the stage and go to backdrops. And wow, I love this backdrop. Isn't it so cute? Well, let's go ahead and drag it. And then that's there. It says it's replied as costume. So now you can just add it to any of your projects. So yeah, that was how to use the backpack in Scratch. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you can just always click on the Scratch button and see what's happening with your friends. So maybe SB Star, that's me in one of my accounts. So if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also be sure to share this video with your friends, and also you can also click the bell button and the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my videos. You can always check them out on our channel. So now let's go ahead and scroll down and you can see everything you'd like. So explore the world of Scratch, and I will see you next time. Scratch on. Keep doing Scratch. Goodbye.